So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to the Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to the Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, how do I close out of a bull call spread? So closing out of a bull call spread, also commonly referred to as a bull debit spread, which is an option buying strategy, is actually just as simple as reversing the trade. So to understand how we reverse the trade, we first need to understand what the core position is of this bull call spread. So this spread trade is created by buying one in the money option contract and selling one out of the money option contract, both on the call side of the option pricing table. So for example, if a stock is trading at $100, you might buy a 99 strike call option and sell a 101 strike call option. This creates a debit, and that's why it's a option buying strategy. Again, this is not necessarily the exact way you have to set them up. This is just how we would set them up if we were trading them here at Option Alpha. So if you are long a 99 strike call and short a 101 strike call option, then the process of removing the position and closing it out is as simple as just reversing the trade. So what we would do is we would end up selling back our 99 strike call and buying back our 101 short strike call option and closing the position. This would hopefully result in a net credit that is higher than the net debit that you paid to enter the position, therefore leaving you with a profit on the trade. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on the Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.